Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey into the realms of deep connection and sacred sexuality? Welcome to the 6-day Couple Intimacy Tantra Workshop, expertly led by the esteemed Shree Dr Pallavi Kwatra. This journey promises a transformative experience for individuals and couples alike. Unlock the secrets of sacred sexuality and deepen your connection with your partner. Let's delve into what this 6-day workshop has in store for you. We begin by introducing you to the essence of Tantra, its deep spiritual roots, and its profound impact on intimacy. On the second day, we explore mindset and attitude shifts that can deepen your connection with your partner. The third and fourth days are all about techniques for enhancing couple intimacy. From Tantric Sex and conscious Kink to Kamasutra Positions and Kegel exercises, we cover a broad spectrum of practices designed to bring you closer to your partner and heighten your shared experiences. On the fifth day, we delve into Eastern Indian traditions and rituals that can further deepen your connection. Finally, on the sixth day, we introduce you to tools that can enhance your intimacy and bonding. From crystals for libido and sexuality to an introduction to sensual toys, we've got you covered. These are just some of the transformative experiences that await you. Are you intrigued by the transformative power of Tantra and deep connection? To register, direct message the number 8920152103. Don't miss the early bird offer from the 2nd to 9th of December. Embrace this journey and enhance the sacred connection between you and your partner. Register now and join us for a transformative journey into the realms of deep connection and sacred sexuality.